Hi everyone, my name is Emily and I'm an orthopedic bracing specialist. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Breg Kodiak cryotherapy unit. So some of the benefits to using a cryotherapy unit include reducing your pain and swelling, as well as improving healing and increasing your range of motion. So let's review the step-by-step instructions on how to use the Breg Kodiak. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to push the handle down and unlock the lid. Remove it and fill the cooler portion with ice and water. Inside there is a sticker. It'll tell you to first fill to the water line, which is lower, and then secondly fill the unit to the second line with cubed ice. After you've done that, you're going to put the lid back on with the hose opposite the handle. Push down and lift the handle up to lock the unit. This allows us to safely carry the unit around without leaks or spills. Next, I'm going to apply the IntelliFlow pad to the affected joint. So you'll see here I have an IntelliFlow knee pad with my sterile insulation barrier on top, and I'm going to apply it with the barrier on the skin. I'm going to have the top part of the butterfly above the knee, the lower part of the butterfly below the knee, and the tube running down the shin portion of the leg. And I'm going to take my tensor bandage, which comes with every pad, and I'm going to wrap continuously around the joint at a snug pressure, but not too tight, until I reach the end of the bandage. The IntelliFlow pads for each joint are a universal size, and the nice thing is that the tensor bandage actually can provide a little bit of comfortable compression to the sore and swollen joint while using the pad. Next, we're going to connect the cooling unit to the pad. So we're going to take each end of the tube, and you'll see the two silver tabs. In order to connect, we're going to push them both down and push together, and you'll hear two clicks, each silver tab flipping up, and now we're connected. To disconnect, you're just going to push both silver tabs down and pull apart. Now that our unit has been filled with water and ice and the pad has been applied to the joint, we're ready to turn the machine on. All we're going to do is take this end of the adapter and push it into the back side of the unit and put this into the power outlet, and the machine begins to run. One of the beautiful features of the Breg Kodiak is that there are no dials or buttons to turn on and off or change the temperature. Everything is regulated as long as you give it a power source. So you simply plug it in and it'll begin to run very, very quietly for the length of your use.